Hi, this is an instructional video which will show a couple of pieces of SOCO equipment. One of them is the F-100. This is a semi-automatic carton erector, and the SOCO random carton erector or carton sealer. This is a T-55. It's a fully automatic system. It basically works via compressed air, and it brings adjusts automatically to the size of the box. The F-100 just basically hangs on the back of the tape machine. There's a couple of bolts here, and it is designed to erect random size cases. It doesn't matter what size you've got, it'll adjust for that. Let me just demonstrate real quick. Just take a box and then just open it up, and all you're going to do as an operator is close the bottom flaps via the micro switch right here. You put your box on this bar here, and then you're going to push it against the micro switch, and that actually brings these metal flaps up, and that holds your box in place so that you can fill it with some product. I'll just throw something in there. Okay, and the operator would close the flaps. We do also have a void fill system here. This produces some airbags. So if you need to put some other dunnage in there or void fill material to fill up the box, you can just throw it in there, close the flaps, and then the way this machine works is I'm going to just slide it forward into the tape machine. Now as I'm sliding it forward, the box will pass over this micro switch. When that happens, it's going to drop these flaps back down so that I can erect a new case. And then what's going to happen is the box is going to hit this switch right here on the taper, and that's going to start these drives in automatically to the box, and it's going to dump the air out of this cylinder to bring that top assembly down. The top assembly is holding the top tape dispenser, and that will then pull the box through the tape machine. The belts will restart and drive that tape machine, or tape the box through the taper. Now you'll see that all happen here in just a second. I'm just going to now push the box in. That's all there is to it. The box is now taped top and bottom. You can send any size box in there. I'm going to turn it the other way. Completely random system. You can put in this particular machine, you can put boxes in there that are up to 20 inches in height, 20 inches in width, and basically unlimited in length. So again, I'm just going to run this box through here. There's no setup required. The other thing that we have attached on this taper is what we call a zipper, and it's just a tab that gets applied to the tape as it goes through the dispenser. It cuts the tab in half so that you're on either side of the box, you're left with a tab, and if you have to open the case, you can simply just pull the tab. This prevents damage by somebody taking a knife and cutting the tape off of there. That frequently happens in the food industry. It damages the product, so the zipper tab kind of eliminates that problem. So again, this machine, you can put any size in there, any way that you want. And right now we're taping an empty box, so it's difficult to put that for an empty box. But you can see, again, it's a fully random system. You can adjust the air pressure to the side drives and the top assembly. And you have a main air in valve as well. It runs on 80 psi of clean, dry, compressed air, as well as the F-100. This is air operated as well. That's what brings these flaps up to close the box. So again, it's a very simple machine, not much going on there, and we'd love to present this to you, and think it'll work in your application. Thanks very much.
I'll see that.